Once you've logged into your Zoom Extras account, you'll be able to see immediately how many available coins you have or points. And the way to accumulate coins is just do the things you're already doing, like paying your bill on time, renewing your Zoom Energy account, putting yourself on auto bill pay. Your points will just keep accumulating. Now, you can redeem it a couple of different ways. One is by qualifying for gift cards, and you'll be able to know in advance how many coins you need to qualify for a gift card. I actually just redeemed one the other day. It was a Target gift card. 45,000 coins is what was required. At that point, I had 48,000 coins. So, of course, that's why I was able to qualify for a $25 gift card. But you can see for a Domino's pizza gift card, you need 18,000 coins and so on. So, you can see gift cards that you can qualify for. You can also, going back to this page, look at savings in general with retailers that you're already shopping for. So, local offers, flash deals, travel savings, and insurance savings. With local offers, these are coupons and discounts on retailers that you can punch in a specific zip code for, and it'll tell you who in that specific area you can use it in. And so, as you can see, these are all my local vendors. Froyo Joe's is actually a family favorite. So it'll tell you just by having Zoom Extras, you can get a $5 discount with Froyo Joe's. It can look at big vendors, or you can even categorize it to have shopping, activities, services, travel, online. Again, zip codes can change. Maybe you're traveling, you're in a different state, and you want to get some pizza and get a discount. So, see Papa John's giving me a 20% discount, Qdoba, AMC theaters, 30% off of movie tickets, budget car rental facilities. So, really great programs there. Flash deals, what that is you have an opportunity to save money on certain gift cards. So let's say, for example, you're going to buy a $100 Lowe's gift card. It's only going to cost you $97. This is a 30% off. So to get $100, spend 97, you get a $3 savings there. With Bath and Body Works, same thing. For example, for a $10 gift card, it's going to cost you $7. So you can take advantage of those. And sometimes it's even bigger than that. You can save significantly on some of these flash deals, like 40%, 45% off of Disney Plus, and so on. Now, with travel savings, you can just shop around for where your next trip is going to go to. You can look at all the preferred popular destinations, or you can shop specifically to an area you're going to. Insurance savings with Liberty Mutual Insurance, get yourself a quote. You can save money there. And then you can even play and gamify this. So there's sweepstakes that you can enter. And in these sweepstakes, you'll be able to qualify for gift cards. So it'll tell you how many coins is going to be required to enter into the sweepstake. But if you win, you get either a $250 gift card to Target, a $100 gift card to Walmart, or $50 gift card to Amazon. And it's free to play for these sweepstakes. You can also enter into daily giveaways, weekly giveaways by playing games. So you can see Scratch Card and Connect Four. So definitely a lot of perks available with Zoom Extras. Set up your account now, take advantage of it. You're already going to pay your bill anyway. Might as well take advantage of the additional savings that comes with being a Zoom Energy customer.